is a motor lifts a 1,000 kilogram elevator a height of 100 meters at a constant speed in about 50 seconds. So we want to know how much work is done by the motor and how much power did the motor supply. So let's break down things that we know. We know the weight of the elevator to be 1,000 kilograms, so its mass. We know the height of the elevator, or its distance, to be 100 meters, and the total time it took is 50 seconds. So what do we know from here? We know the work formula, and the work formula works in this. So the work formula is work is equal to force times distance. So we may be looking at this problem and thinking, we're not given force, but through the force formula, which is mass times acceleration, we can find the force from here. So we can find the force to be the mass, which is 1,000 kilograms, times acceleration. And for acceleration, we can use gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second. So now that we know force, we can easily plug it into our work formula. So we can determine it to be 1,000 kg times the 9.8 meters per second. Let me just take care of this right here. All right. And now we can put these in brackets to denote that this is the force. So we're also given the height, which is 100 meters. And we can use the height as our distance, finding it to be 100 meters. So what is our force? Our force is, now that we've determined it, it's 98 joules. It's about 980,000 joules. So we use joules because those are the units for work. And now that we've found the work, we can further move on and find what's the power. And the power formula is the work divided by the time. So we have it right here as work over time. And the good thing is we're given both. We found the work now, and we were given the time over here. So let's plug it in. All right. So we can just move this over here. And since the time is 50 seconds, we can divide it by 50. And this gives us 19,600 and then 19,600. And then the unit for power is watts. So we're given it to be 19,600 watts. So in summation, we found the work to be 980,000 joules, and then we found the power that's the motor supplies to be 19,600 watts. So this is how we solved the problem. We first solved it by using the work formula to determine how much work it's given. But first, we have to go through the force formula, and through the force formula, we were able to work and find the amount of work that's being done by the motor. And then once we found the work, simple as that, we put into the power formula, and we found our answer. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.